The full specifications of the Huawei Nova Flip have just been leaked. Remember, this will be a mid-range foldable that Huawei is about to unveil. They have already shown some official videos revealing its design, but its specifications are not yet officially known. However, through a post by Digital Chat Station, we have been able to learn the full specifications. Although remember that a leak is not an official presentation. But let's take a look. It seems that the main camera will be 50 megapixels with an f/1.9 aperture, and the secondary camera will be an ultra-wide camera with 2 centimeters macro capabilities. Hopefully, that 50 megapixel camera will be well utilized to give us sufficiently good zoom, at least for now. It is said that it will be an RGB sensor like the one Huawei usually uses in its pure Huawei series, so it is likely to provide very good quality for night photography. For the front camera, it would have a 32 megapixel sensor, and something that really stands out is the battery capacity, which would be 4,400 milliampere hours. For reference, it is the same battery capacity that Samsung integrates into the Galaxy Z Fold6, which is a much larger device with a battery that obviously does not stand out for the large size of this device. However, in the Huawei Nova Flip, which is a vertically formatted foldable, this capacity could be outstanding, even though it is not a high-end foldable. Additionally, it will support Huawei's 66-watt supercharge and comes with a thickness of 6.88 millimeters when unfolded and weighs 195 g. The processor has not been specified for any particular model, but it is said to be from the Kirin 9 series, meaning it could be the Kirin 9010E, offering considerably high performance, considering it will not be a high-end foldable. The screen will be 6.94 inches with LTPO technology reaching up to 120 Hz, while the external screen will be 2.14 inches OLED with 60 Hz. It will have 12 gigabytes of RAM and will come in versions of 256/512 GB or 1 terabyte. And even Digital Chat Station has anticipated that on the external screen you will be able to play some minigames, making it an interesting foldable. Everything will depend on its price, but the price has not yet been leaked, and it will surely be presented first in China at a very attractive price. Afterwards, we will have to wait to see if there is a global launch to know the price adapted to other regions.